Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today we are cleaning up some of that tree that you guys saw us cut down a few weeks ago. We've not gotten much done in the last few weeks because of the rain. It has been raining so steadily, it's been impossible to even get outside. We're taking advantage of this beautiful weather. We've been out here all day. We just hauled this other truckload up here from those branches. These are just the twigs and branches that we're not going to use for anything. We were going to wood chip those, so you might be a little confused if you heard me say that in a previous video, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to get rid of this stuff. We're going to burn it. So this is our new burn pile. Our old burn pile is actually where the garden is going to be, but we're going to get this unloaded and then go load it again. Finally, success! And this is where our hugel bed will be. We're going to bring another little bit up here and we're going to start our hugel bed up here.
That will be another day.
Yes, that will be another day.
Not today.
Well, y'all, as you can see, we've got a lot back here left to do. We've still got those planter beds to make, but it has been a packed day. We did a lot of yard cleanup today. Dad moved a camper shell off of the truck and put that somewhere else. So, I mean, it's just been a day of thing after thing. So I am out here grilling now. We're about to have dinner and it's going to be wonderful. So I thank you for stopping by today and sharing a few minutes with us. I appreciate each of you and we will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.